How to use the truncate function in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explained video series, I'm going to explain how you can use the truncate function and what are the parameters and why it's different from integer function and the round down function. Let's get started. The best way to learn a function is to apply it, and in this tutorial I'm going to apply the truncate function, and while I am applying it I'm going to talk about the parameters and also the difference between round down and integer function with the truncate function. Okay, let's write the function here. I'm going to write here equal to and then trunc, T-R-U-N-C. Here trunc, it says truncates a number to an integer by removing the decimal or fractional or part of a number. Okay, so I'm going to double click here and we have our number. The first parameter is the number. I'm going to select it, and the second parameter, which is optional, and it says number of digit. If I don't write here anything, it will truncate all the decimal points. Okay, if I write here 1, it will keep only one digit after the decimal point. So I'm going to add a parameter and I can write here 2, 3 depending on where we want to truncate. But if I don't give this parameter, it will simply remove everything after the decimal points. Okay, now why is different than the integer function and the round down function? The truncate function, the first and the main difference is that it doesn't round up or down. It simply removes everything after the decimal point. Okay, the second difference of the truncate function with the round down function is that the second parameter here, you can see number of digit. This is optional parameters. You can use the trunc function without the parameters. Okay, and if I press enter and if I drag it, you can see it doesn't round up or down. It simply removes everything after the decimal point, where the integer function round down the number from highest to lowest. Okay, it doesn't matter if it has 0 or negative number, it will round down from highest to lowest, where round down function will round number down towards the 0. So if it's positive number, it will simply step down towards the 0, and if negative number, it will also step up towards the 0. So that's round down function. So this is the main difference between integer function and round down function, and this function really helps because of the optional parameter. You don't need to specify anything. This is how you use trunc function in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.